Good morning. Welcome everyone. Hey, how you doing, guys? How's it going? Happy Tuesday times. Good morning, chat. Welcome, community. Hey. Good evening, right? Like and share. Come on, like the video and share this. Let's just go ahead and do it, guys. 75 grand on the giveaways. Let's just go ahead and share this presentation. We're live. $75,000 in giveaways. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Let me just organize the things here. Let's go. Good morning. Join our community, guys. Join our Discord community. Good evening out there. Look at that, guys. This is something you have to see. Look at our accounts are paused. Have a look into that, guys. Our accounts are paused. You know the reason, right? You clearly know the reason. I requested a payout and I made a video. It's going to be public today. Make sure to check that video on my channel. I'm going to post it later after the live stream. Like in 4 or 5 hours from now, I'm going to post a video on my channel. You want to watch that video where I'm walking you through the process of $10,000 payout. Well, look what we did, guys. We bought 5 more accounts. You can see them on the top left corner. We bought 5 more, and I'm hunting my live wallet movement. Right? We got to do it. Let me just rename this, boys. We're trading in 2 different groups of 5. So let's just go ahead and start trading. The first thing we do before we execute is go to the risk settings and make sure we have the risks needed for the accounts that we trade. 1,500 personal daily loss, liquidate, and block. And then we save it, right? Beautiful. Let's go, guys. Come on. Thank you. Appreciate it. $10,000 payout. 4,000 is going to fly into my live wallet from there. 5,000 will be cash. And 1,000 is going to go back to Ticktick Trader. That's how the split system works. So this is where we are for the moment. On 15-minute Nasdaq looks very good. But this candlestick is not closed yet, right? We've been facing rejections from the daily opening, 817, for the past couple of hours. We've been also having to deal with a daily VWAP at this level. So there is a conjunction of bearish energies we have to fight with. It's like fighting against 2 or more opponents that are significant. While you want to take the markets to the upside, you're driving the lows to the upside and pressuring the flat top. You need some catalyst. If we get to the weekly volume weighted average price sitting around 860s, and that's that red line there, I'm going to be concerned for a possible rejection. Temporary, of course. Right, so here in the 15 minute, we're looking great. The question mark is there's 6 minutes to go. And we have to see if we still have the ability to close out of this 15 minute in a such bullish manner. Because this is kind of seeking continuation here, at least breaking above that daily opening. And then, of course, you suddenly have 30, 35 points room for a long. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Today, as usually, we trade our Ticktick Trader, Tab 1 futures, and Savius accounts. In a lot of the places, the current discounts end at the end of the month, right? Keep that in mind. Ticktick Trader has 1 day and 10 hours for their 65% discount, plus 5% if using Skrill or crypto. Tab 1 futures as well is having a big discount right there. Additional 5% if using my code at checkout than what is listed. Much better than what is listed. The sim funded, the end of the day, or the sim pro, the intraday. And then the Savius accounts, which are 60% off. The 60% is going to disappear, guys. You're no longer going to have 60% off from the Savius ones. It's going to be a lot less. But let me share with you the links, and then of course we're going to talk about it later. So you got a Ticktick there. Now I'm sending you the Tab 1, and of course the new Savius accounts that are here exclusively for our community. Definitely not publicly available. Great. We need to reach payout with 3 more accounts on Ticktick Trader, and we're going to have sufficient money for the live. Looks like the rejection is there for the moment. Gold had a big dump today, a big one. We've dropped. Once we touched near to the 900s, we actually dropped 80 points, $80. That's a huge one, guys. Look at the elevator. Staircase to the upside, elevator to the downside. We definitely know that. Bitcoin was having some difficulties too. Altcoins as well. Yeah. US dollar holding around a corner. End of the day is on Ticktick Trader, yes. Straight to funded plus accounts for Ticktick Trader allows you end of the day. Ticktick Trader is basically entirely on end of the day. Niche trading fully allowed, and Ninja Trader as well, right? You have them here, right? So Ticktick Trader is having it all. The new straight to funded plus. Yeah. Tab 1 futures is working through Project X. And Savius is not having Ninja, but it's having Quant Tower. So basically, Ticktick Trader is matching your needs. End of the day, Ninja and news trading fully allowed, along with microscoping. 10 a.m. at 10 a.m. So in an hour and 30 minutes. And the live stream is going to be to that point, guys. Hey, that's true. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's bring it up. 2 giveaways, 75 grand totally. Last day of promotions for a lot of the firms. Keep that in mind. 15 minute looks beautiful for the moment. Absolutely. We got to the daily opening, so we got rejected. Look at that. 5 minute looks like this. Let me just take it up. Enjoy your day. Let's pin that message. So I'm going to ask you the question, guys, because, you know, 25,500 is having a very high chance from your understandings and predictions. I've asked that in a poll for the Nasdaq, but what about 26,000 Nasdaq in October? I'm asking you a question. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. Sure, let's go. Come on. 26,000 on Nasdaq in October. What do you guys think about? Let me know your thoughts on that. I ask you in the chat. Let me know what do you guys think about. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, everyone. The accounts we requested a payout are already paused. That's a good sign, and we bought 5 more. So we're right now having 10, 5 paused, and 5 active. Let's go for the needed amount on the accounts to be moved to live. Let's go, guys. Come on. Also going to trade a tap on futures. Beautiful ZIL. Winner of yesterday's giveaway. Let's see what you guys consider. 25,000. You're going for the huge buffer today. Yeah, I mean, if you earn anything from 2,500 above, I think that's already part of a huge buffer. Because if you connect that with another 1,000 in another day, that's 3,500. Your max loss is no longer going to move. And you're going to be in a very comfortable situation with that. Testing out a
Order
short
filled.
here, guys. We got a daily opening. We got multiple rejections at this level. And like I said, I am testing out. You see, I'm not having any wild numbers. It's just 3 minis. For someone that is trading 5 or more, 3 minis is definitely the most comfortable situation. Yeah, yesterday we had 1 giveaway. ZIL was the winner. And probably today it's his first day. So let's wish him good luck with that. Going for the big buffer. I mean 2,500 for a 100k account. So for a 50k, 1,250 already from that level starts being comfortable. Because your max loss is at 2,000. No, that's a very good one. Look at that. I just realized right now. The account size is half of the 100k, the 50k, right? But the drawdown is not half. The drawdown is bigger. It's 2,000 compared to the 3,000 on the other side. That's a good one, guys. Honestly, this is a very comfortable account, the 50k. It's just that, obviously, the payouts are smaller. Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome, guys. Make sure to like the video so we pick those numbers up.
Order filled.
I'm seeing here. Might not be the best situation. Let's see if we get a rejection. Might not be the best. Let's see if we get that rejection, guys. Pretty good so
Order
far.
filled.
Adding more to this. 535 on my entry. 819. 814 actually. Come on.
Order filled.
Another one into this. 550 on my exit. 4 points needed, guys. And we're out. Couple of wicks out here. Would actually make sense to generate extra liquidity by taking the highly leveraged folks out. Come on. It's time for longs. I'm just looking forward to having a bit of a shaking going around. Liquidity grab to the upside. That's also on the table, but I'm first looking forward for the move downside. 826. We got to 824. I don't know if I can afford this on 826. It's pretty high for me. 7 contracts. Let's see. I might reduce my position a little bit, guys. Come on. Keep the pressure. Ah, look at that buying pressure.
Order
Now,
filled.
I sold basically 3 contracts. I had to do it.
Order filled.
And I am fully out right there. I don't like it. 65 bucks, but you know, I've been too exposed here. This is at a place where things can actually get ugly, right? With a liquidity grab to the top, we could see basically movements that are crossing the limit I have. So in this context, I'm overexposed with 7 minis. My take profit is your stop loss. Currently, we have exited.
Order
now, there
filled.
might be an idea here for 3 contracts to the upside. $827.
Order filled.
4 contracts. $826 on my exit, guys. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Putting the break even. Risk free. Just a little
Order
bit higher.
filled.
And there you go. The target has been touched. 515 bucks. The first point has been achieved, guys. Let's go. Let's go, gentlemen. We got this at the right time. We've been in a short. I told you I don't like it. And then we moved into the long. Beautiful. Boom, boom. Come on. 515. Do I want to make more here? I'm questioning that if I should make more. It's the first day, right? It's the first day for this 5 accounts. We'll see. If we're about for the upside, you know, 15-minute is pretty strong. But I care also about a 4 hours. Yeah. This is flying for the moment. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Let's go. Like the video, guys. Come on. Join our Discord as well. Have a lovely day. This is getting pretty hot here. Hmm. 8:32. Certainly not easy to trade this. If you're not sitting in a long from lower levels, but we just broke out basically from the daily opening, daily VWAP. We had a short-term supply here around the 15. It has been cleared. Now we talk about a different language. Keep in mind, guys, for a lot of the firms, Ticktick Trader Top 1 futures, with the end of the month, it's basically the end of the big promotions. You want to grab your accounts as long as the opportunity is still there. 840s, pretty tough here, right? Looks like this is unstoppable. We just broke above London high. 836. $850, $556 is the daily high. Could be a level, to be honest with you. I mean, if this is coming back into the 20s, it's a really good opportunity. Right below 20s, it's a very good opportunity. Even though we're far away from that trend. Now we just have to wait. Wait and see. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Here's our Discord. Morning, everyone. Morning, chat. Thank you. We're waiting here. This is not a place for me to short. 15 minute has fuel. The dangerous level is much higher than here. Starting with 55, starting with 55, 60s, that's a place where you can nicely get rejected. So it might be too early for a short here. And also too late for a long. If we get it on the daily opening right there, 817, I would be happy to relong this on 817. But for the moment, we have to wait. Wait for clarity. $10 a.m. JOLTS. Jobs report. And I'd like to see what's happening on the Fed watch. What's happening on the CMA, FOMC in less than 30 days. 92% for a rate cut. Wow. We had it in the past couple of streams sitting around 80%. Looks like we have increased this one with 12%, guys. Wondering about the capabilities of the markets already pricing in these cuts. And the 10th of September is already having a 72% for another 25 basis points rate cut. So pretty much the targets are 3 back-to-back rate cuts for 2025. Last 2 FOMC meetings remaining right there. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. This might be just a slow grinding with a risk of 10-15 points, 1 minute candle downwards. Something that I don't want to be participating. We have to wait, guys. %63 of you consider we're going to touch 26,000 on Nasdaq for October. 63. That's a pretty big one, guys. In our last pool where we measured 25 500s, it was around 78% considered yes. Today we're gonna post on a YouTube channel with my $10,000 payout request. Five-minute is slowing down. It means a temporary loss of the momentum, but that doesn't mean a complete reversal, so let's see what happens here. Might be a 1 minute, couple of points room for the downside.
Order filled.
But I'm longing this one here, guys. I'm longing for a couple of points to the upside. Let's see. 3 contracts, not much. I'm out.
Order filled.
Nothing has been made in this trade. We just broke even. Pretty odd. We were $100 at some point. To my accounts, we got to the payout. You're speaking about the 5 accounts. We got to the payout yesterday, and I'm trading new accounts because the ones we got to the payout, we requested a payout. Here are the accounts. The whiz. So we successfully brought them to the payout. 5 accounts. I requested a payout today, and they got paused until it's approved. So we're trading the other 5 accounts that I bought today, and they're fresh from scratch. Second payout in 7 days. I think it's pretty easy if you have at least $4,000 remaining after your $2,000 will be deducted. So if you have $4,000, you can go for the minimum target from the first day because it makes sense. I'll talk about it in the video. It's having 21 minutes, the video I'm going to post on my channel. You will see the strategy making sense. With the amount of money I have there, 2,000 will be deducted. I'm gonna go from the beginning only for $500. It's not justified to make more. I'll post it today in about 3 to 5 hours. Today it's going to be on my channel. We're going to be on a live stream for JOLTS data, job openings, which is going to be in an hour from now. So today's live stream is going to be a little longer. And after this, we do the giveaway. right? So the giveaway starts in an hour and 10 minutes. Thank you, by the way, for joining. This might be going a little down here. Look at that. Let's see if we get some momentum. For the first time, we see a heavier 1 minute candle here after 4 red ones coming through from a pretty flat structure. So welcome, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Giveaway starts soon.
Order filled.
Testing out a little short here. Going for a couple of points. Nothing radical. A common sense level. With a break even pretty quickly right there. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
Beautiful. We made 240 bucks on that. Beautiful, guys. That's actually a 50% increase of the profits that I had in the account. 50% with this trade. Look at the buyback. The break even would have been touched. It's not bad. 240. We were taking donuts from the police officer. $8.17 daily opening retest. Do we get that? We're gonna have some volatility in 3 minutes. We got the flat hourly opening. 30 minutes for the New York market. Another opportunity to reshort this? I don't know what to say. I'm gonna be cautious. Can't say this is tired. Certainly not. But indeed, for the first time, our 5 minutes have a strength behavior. Yes, I bought new ones. Yeah. So we got the paused that are waiting for the payout, and I bought new ones, especially we have 65% off plus 5% if you pay through Skrill or crypto. I paid crypto and I paid around $213 an account. That's insane, guys. No consistency. We already have $740 here. I'm still looking forward to some more opportunities. Feel like it works today, so I'm pressing the pedal. We're gonna get some more volatility right now in the upcoming seconds. Let's see. The hourly opening. What do we get here? Or maybe not. News are gonna be in an hour for the market is dominated by the bulls. Yeah, all that. So look at the number of my account here. 12,221, guys. Right? And this is 15,587. That's a difference of 3,200 accounts. Straight to fund the plus of 100,000. Right? 3,300 accounts. What's the time difference? Well, let's look at the time we have started to trade the old ones on 11th. So we got them on 11th, Thursday. And today is the 30th. That's exactly 19 days. In 19 days, they sold 3,500, 3,300 out of this 100K ones. Approximately by looking at these numbers. Right? So 3,300 in 19 days. The price was way higher. If you remember, the price was $400 for an account. And the current promotion kicked in with $245 just a couple of days ago. Might be mixed with the 50K. I don't have the 50K to know if there's the same number, but if you guys have 50K and you see similar numbers to this, then it's also the 50K included. However, it's... How much is that? That's a good business, right? You have an average of $200. It's about close to $700,000. 19 days only from these two products. It's not mixed. So the 50K start with 05. Okay. It's not mixed. Then we're having just a 50K. You put 3,300 times, you can easily put in this case scenario about $300. That's like $1 million. Last 19 days. Right? Not bad. Only from this product. Last 19 days. And if we look into payout junction, they're paying on the rise. Look at that, guys. We're looking at payout junction payouts. Last 30 days on rise. Ticktick Trader has 672,000. And we just did the math from this product alone, 100K straight to funded plus. They have around $1 million collected, approximately, from the numbers we have seen, like an estimation, right? 3,300 accounts at an average of $300. That's $1 million for the last 19 days. They paid out 672 for the last 30 days. But think about it, they have many other products as well. They have evaluations, they have instant funded, they have the 50K. Right? Like this single product is already putting them in profit. Which is why the company is delivering and it works. Look at a beautiful sell up. I think we touched the daily opening here. This is the place I want to long it, guys.
Order filled.
Yep. Exactly. Let's see if we can get something out of this. We touched the daily opening here. If needed, I'm going to DCA all the way into the daily VWAP sitting around 813. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. Appreciate it. Like the video, be subscribed. We're trading Ticktick Trader. We're also trading our top 1 futures.
Order filled.
Adding 5 contracts here. 525 on my exit. This is my top 1 futures Ignite accounts.
Order filled.
Target has been hit here, 511. On the other side, I'm exiting as well. 980 totally. 511 on the top 1 futures pretty quickly. There you go, guys. Celebration time. Daily opening and the VWAP is there. And if you're just waiting for the right moments, that's what you get. There you go. Congratulations. Ho ho ho. Boom. And now we have to relong this. We gotta relong this. Come on. Give me all the way. So this is what we have on the top on futures. It's pretty good, right? Look at that. Pretty good. This is the top 1 futures. What's up, buddy? Pretty good day. We're sitting on the green side, on the green bench. Testing out along here. Might have to wait for, let's see. $813. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. I'm setting a break even and I'm letting a runner all the way back to the top.
Order filled.
Oops. We just exited for no reason. That was my mistake. I had a stop loss and I put it higher, so automatically we closed.
Order filled.
And now I bought back here. I'm out.
Order
I don't like
filled.
this. We made some money, but that was a mistake, guys. I move my stop loss to the top side, so automatically close me out instead of moving my take profit. What a silly mistake I did. I moved my stop loss. Yeah, I messed up by dragging the stop loss, exactly. Oh my gosh. 1,180. I think we made some money with that. Like 30 bucks for the 2 minis and 195 for the 3 minis. Around $200. Maybe it's a sign to stop, right? Honestly, I am comfortable with 1,180 today. I'm comfortable with that. And I'm gonna lock myself out for the whole day here. Guess what? We're locked out for the whole day. We're fully confirming 1,180 today. The first day here in this 5. We had no loss. And we had way more trades than I usually do. We also made money here on a tap on futures. We got to our target for the 4 accounts, Ignite. I'm trade this one. I'm going to trade this one, and I'm going to trade this one alone. Maybe I'm going to connect it with this one, with the other one. Yeah, let me just connect it. Let me connect all that 3 Simpro. 981. $89. And a 4. I think these are the correct ones. Yep. Oh. On the 10th day. Did you have buffer? How much did you lost in your last day? And what do you think? What was the reason for that? That's pretty painful the last day. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's bring up those numbers. Yeah. Let me tell you a secret, guys. The no daily loss limit is not in your advantage. Right? So the promotion of no daily loss limit. This, right? They're offering no daily loss limit, and they are offering the add-on, which is usually costing money to eliminate the daily loss limit. It's costing money. It comes out as an add-on. They're allowing you right now for free. Comes with free daily loss add-on right now. Because the daily loss limit is in your advantage to have it. Otherwise, they would not give it to you for free. It's a trap. You get it for free, means you have no daily loss, right? The daily loss is eliminated, right? You remove this with the add-on. So you have no daily loss right now. And that is not in your advantage. You have to go to your settings, risk settings there, and then say personal daily loss 1,500. Do this, guys. If the company gives you no daily loss, don't be happy about it. And smile and trade, because you're gonna hit your complete losses, your max losses. If you have no daily loss, the only loss you can hit is your max loss. So liquidate and block yourself out. When you block yourself out, you can be frustrated, angry, and be in whatever situation, but you're not going to mess up your account trying to recover during that day, which is very, very unlikely you're going to do it. And way more money is going to be lost by not doing it. right? So once again, you receive this add-on for free because it's not in your advantage. This is not a charity business model. Everything is studied. Everything is very, very known in terms of how does the money is made by companies. I'm telling you the reality. You blew over $4,000. There you go. Think about it. That's crazy, guys. 15 minutes to go. We got the opening right there. Come on. We nicely made money. This level, we could still have this one holding. And I'm going to trade my Savius accounts too. We might just go into 8.12. Keep that in mind. 8.13. 8.12. That's where I'm waiting for you. Daily VWAP. If I get it, I don't know. We might just react here and that's going to be a front run. But this is where we have the daily opening. It's a good promotion. No daily loss limit. And that means you can set your daily loss at whatever price you want. It's great. If you want to set it higher than the 1,500 and beat, but you definitely need to have it somewhere. Like, don't go with the maximum loss on the accounts. The accounts we're trading right here are Sim Pro accounts, and they do have a pretty good situation. 2 days of 1,500. You see, these are accounts that have an intraday drawdown. We have 2 days of trading with it, and our drawdown is still the same value like at the purchase time, 4,500. 2 days of trading did not affect it because it's, you know, intraday. Like intraday drawdown, it's not on unrealized profits, and it's obviously affecting you when you have a day of losing money. But that's kind of the same at the end of the day, right? It's kind of the same. This is not a unrealized profits trailing model. It's unrealized. Realized, not on unrealized. The unrealized is the heavy one. And there's some companies going with the unrealized. Intraday unrealized. It's trailing so quickly after. You just have to go limit orders on your exit pretty near to your entry. That's how you trade those accounts. Hey Ron, I don't have a live account at Ticktick. I have $8,000 in my live wallet. With yesterday's payout we requested, $2,000 more will be needed, and we are going for live. So I am, 8,000 collected out of 10, which means I am 80% of my progress to qualify for a live account. 80%. Pretty happy about it. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. We have 2 giveaways scheduled, which will happen after the JOLTS job openings. And that's in about 40 minutes from now. How much time? Well, about 3 to 5 days. 3 to 5 business days. if it's obtained from straight to funded plus, then 3 to 5 business days. Depends with the broker how quickly you set it up, right? Minimum withdrawal $250. You're free to trade in whatever way you want, and there is a split in the payouts 80 to 20. You receive 80% of the payouts. Yeah, something similar to my sim. This is the way I know how to trade. This is the way we've been making money here for the last 2 or 3 months. We've been making money. So I have to trade in the same way. If I don't trade in the same way, I need a reason for that. And the reason cannot be the environment. Certainly not. If I change the way I trade, I should expect my results to be different as well. So how do I know? By changing the way I trade, I'm going to obtain better results. I don't know that. And there is no way I'm going to test it on live. Which means I'm going to stick to, I know, brought me to live. To what actually gave me the opportunity to be live. I'm going to stick to that, right? There is quite many platforms out there you can trade, including Quantower. Depends which broker do you select. There's going to be multiple opportunities. Depends which broker, depends how you want to take this. But you actually get a real account. You actually get a real account at a brokerage. Good morning, welcome guys. Make sure to like the video, come on. Yesterday we qualified for a $10,000 payout. Today also, we bought 5 more accounts because we had, you know, the ones who requested a payout, we had them on pause. So we bought 5 more and we traded them to profit of 1,180. Eight minutes to go and the market opens. I don't know exactly about the platforms. I just know there is going to be including Quantower. Let's see what's happening, what's going on in the other markets. Russells are not doing anything. The US dollar is trying to climb back up above 98. Gold had a pretty strong dip today. Care about the cryptos. They would like to resume the uptrending. Yeah. Care about the altcoins. I like to see the altcoins to the moon. So I'm eliminating this buy orders for the moment. You cannot refuse the live. You cannot do that. That's the program. I mean, you can lose your live account at some point and just resume your sim-funded trading, which is allowed. You're going to resume your sim-funded trading if you're losing your live account. But it kind of makes no sense refusing the live. You're receiving 80% of the payouts. You can actually request money multiple times a day. Every day, think about. On our Ticktick today, we made 1,180, right? On a live, I can request this money out today. If this would have been my first day, if this would have been a live account, and this would have been my first day, I would have requested a payout of the entire 1,180, and I would have received 80% of that. And that's probably around $900, right? So making $900 in real money, let's put it that way, in 20 minutes is definitely not bad. From an environment that you have been sort of a way constructing, building, and reaching to a great stage of your business. $900 today, put it out there and times 10 per month. It's about $10,000. If you do $10,000 a month in a year, you're going to create yourself a $100,000 resource budget to utilize in a personal account trading. If you have 100 grand, that's a good portfolio to start a personal trading account. It's a very good one, right? From where you could actually expect to produce something interesting. A couple of grand a month, maybe 3, 4, 5 grand a month from 100K is good. Keeping the risk controlled. Think about it, guys. I mean, you should dedicate 1 to 2 years for this. And that would be a time I definitely consider. Look at that. Let me just grab my entry here.
Order filled.
I want to grab my entry here. Did we touch the daily VWAP? No, it's lower. It's lower. I got in a little bit early. So I'm going to set some limit orders on that way. Yeah, I got early into that. The live environment is very comfortable, especially you can cash out multiple times a day. Well, uh 80 to 20 on live, yeah. They're allowing you no daily loss limit, think about it. No daily loss limit. Decent contracts, usually 3 minis. 3 minis is not bad. I mean, you can produce thousands a day with 3 minis and 30 micros, and you can trade minis and micros at the same time, right? You're allowed to do it. So there are still some advantages out there. Basically, with a 20%, you guys are giving them, they're recovering some money with that. They're earning some money with that. Look at that. We just wicked into my order that has not been filled. We have less than 2 minutes. Definitely something not to be refusing. Of course, could be better, but I think this is kind of the middle point, especially the sim funded accounts have no consistency. So a lot of the people should get there into the live section. Of course, during 6 months, 12 months, it's definitely better that it didn't fail because we're having the opening, and that would be too much of a size, certainly. That's a good one. Crypto, some of them are going wild. But I'm out here watching. Last minute, guys. Come on. I'm opening my Quant Tower as well. We're going to trade some Savius too. I do know some traders on Ticktick Trader that are live with this company for more than a year, and they made some good tens of thousands of dollars. So that 20% you're giving to the company from that is actually going to worth pretty good money, right, for the company on the long run. And if the company is having 20, 30, 40, 50 guys making constant profits, it's tens of thousands of dollars for the company per month from there. That's great. 3 seconds. And here we have the opening.
Order filled.
I just added more to this and I'm out.
Order filled.
1,522 guys. Beautiful. Celebration time. Celebration time. We actually touched our 3rd day target. Look at that. That's the way to trade the opening. Third day, and this is Sim Pro. Thank you guys, appreciated. Sim Pro accounts, 3rd day. We also traded this ones, guys. We also traded this one. We made a target, 500 bucks. We have a lot of the good days here. So today it's just about the profits. We made 5 accounts profit on Ticktick Trader. This one's 1,180. Leader plus 4. Well, look at the dip we got. Let me just go ahead and long the hell out of it on Quant Tower. I might be buying too high here, but I think it's going back above 820s, guys. I missed the entry below 800s. I've been explaining and talking about things while I should have traded. Oh, there you go. Time to long this. I'm going very aggressively. We got 5 minutes so far, but I'm gonna DCA. 2 more. Sitting on 7. These are the Savius accounts. I'm pretty much 2 more. Sitting on 9. Target on 809. And a stop loss right there. That's what we're trading, guys. Come on. We almost got the daily loss touched. We almost. Are we going to be saved from here? Probably not. We touched the daily. Now an issue. We're moving on to the next account. Seven contracts. Come on. Oh, we touched the daily loss there. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, right? I'm going to trade this one too. Now, let me just wake up a little bit. I've been playing around, gambling too much about that. Look at the candlestick we have here in the 5-minute, guys. Oh my god. Beautiful candlestick, right? You have to appreciate that. And I've been hitting hard. That's what I usually do on the Savius accounts. I'm hitting them very hard. It's already at the end of the session of my trading, and I no longer have the resources I have at the beginning with all the other accounts. I'm treating them differently. Like, they're no longer in my capability of focusing the same thing like I do focus on the other accounts. I do have some more accounts here to be trading. Like, for example, this one. End of the day instant funded. Like, this is a pretty decent level here. Temporary support steps in. What's happening with gold is also dumping since the opening. I care about the Russells. Come on. Pull the trigger, Russells. Care about the Russells because of the crypto altcoins. It was definitely that one. 1,500 for the top one futures quickly at the opening. Let's go, guys. Do we get something interesting to trade here?
Order filled. Order filled. I might just be too Order
aggressive
filled.
once again, of course. Not working there. I do have this ones too. 541, 555. Let me set that up for copy trading.
Order filled.
3 contracts.
Order
I'm
filled.
out. 651. That's good. This is what we have here. 651 today. It's actually a little bit too much. We have to lose 150 bucks. We're gonna lose 150 bucks. Let me show you how to lose this. So you wanna
Order
short,
filled.
and you're gonna lose 150 bucks, right?
Order filled.
Oh, we lost a little bit too much. We have to make 50 bucks. But I think that's fine. We're gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna lock myself out. 450 here. We made money on almost all the accounts except this one that I've been a little bit wild, and it's pretty much 30 bucks away from the max loss. This did not work at all. But these ones are very important for me because we already have the 3rd day. 2 more days like this and we're good to go for the payout. 2 more days of $1,500 each. Let me try to see if I can trade something on the Savius scene. 4 contracts. Six contracts. We might just get the 40s holding. Bring it up, baby. Come on. Bring it up, guys. I'm not going to exit too soon out of this. Let's just wait and make money, right? Let's just wait and make money. I'm not going to exit out of this too soon. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me get out of 2,500. Look at that, guys. We made 2,500 on this one. We're going to run some celebration time. This is definitely deserving it. Beautiful. Let's go. Hit the like. 20 minutes and the giveaway starts. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let's go, guys. Come on. You pumped the price for me. That's not bad. Certainly appreciate it. I'm going to pump it for you as well. If the market makers are not going to watch my live stream and trade against... Last time I said this, some of you got hungry. I'm rebuying. Buckle up, 4 contracts. Buckle up, guys. 4 contracts long, 4 meetings. We have $2,500 here. I think this can easily get into the 800s. We just have to give it enough time. I still have about 18 minutes to go for JOLTS job openings. 5 contracts. If we take this one into 800s, we're going to have 3,005. 6 contracts DCA. Stream sniping, especially sniping because of the sim-funded environment we're trading, guys. Think about it. Why do I need to make $1,500 a day on that tap on futures accounts? Well, let's look into it, guys. I have Sim Pro accounts here. Sim Pro accounts are having their payout at 6%. That's 150k Sim Pro. The discount is bigger if that's what you're watching. It's bigger. With my code, you're getting a bigger discount. So we have to make 6% for the first payout. We have to do $9,000. And I actually divided that 9,000 to 5 because it's 20% equity stability score. Right? 20% equity stability score. ESS. What's happening in the price? This is dumping. Let me just quickly verify my Quant Tower. I'm DCing one more contract there. Alright, so if I make 1,500 for 5 days, I'm going to be very comfortable with that. I'll get to my target, 1,500 for 5 days. That's what I'm targeting. Let me share with you my Quant Tower, guys. Look at the fireworks. They started straight away. We're printing, guys. This is going nuts. Stop loss and break even. We are printing. I'm not exiting yet. Look at that, guys. $2,000, $3,000. Exiting 2 contracts. 2 more. 2 more. And totally out. Look at how much we made. $5,823. $5,823. This is on Savius account, 60% off. Today is the last day for 60% off, right? So you want to cut 60% of this prices. This is $256 what I'm trading. 256. Let me share with you the link so you can see this account as well. You have to sign up inside your... There is consistency. I'm going to take you about that one soon. Which means I'm going to lose some money, right? I'll have to lose some money for the consistency to be respected. But at first I want to make as much as I can. And then at the end, we're going to lose as much as it's needed. That's my theory for this account. So let's get back to being serious. $256 you pay for this, and you are able to cash out $2,700. I mean, you're cashing out $3,000, but you're receiving 90 to 10. You're receiving 2,700. Right? And these accounts are not publicly available. They're exclusively available for our community members. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Savius supports a lot of the countries, guys. A lot of them. Oh, I was showing you the wrong screen. I was supposed to show you this, guys. I was actually explaining you. This price is, no, 256 for what I've been trading. That's how much it's costing you. 256, and you have a 2,700 net payout. I sent you the link in the chat where you can sign up. Exactly, Master Trader. Or if this would have been on a live account on Ticktick Trader, I would have been able to take that payout. What if I try to lose and make more? I'm gonna try to you cannot get liquidated by making too much. So I'm gonna keep trading till I lose. You cannot get liquidated by making too much. You cannot get stopped out by losing too much. Let's just get back to Quantower and see if we can make more. 5 contracts here. 5 more. You know, my consistency is 20%, so I have to... I sold 5 and I am fully out. Beautiful. 6,783. That means we made another 1,000. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna trade this during news. So for my consistency here, I have to produce $1,500. Whatever is above $1,500 is too much, and I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it, guys. I don't want to mess up with my consistency. If I make today that much money, it's pretty bad. You know what it means. We have to do that 5 times. It's not good. 1,500 is going to be sufficient. No, Lamro. You are the only source of the profits that we have here on the whole live stream event. Therefore, you have to give some accounts for giveaway. Maybe you can start with 10 and share it with our community members. Send me the codes. Oh, so you want to give 20 accounts to our community members. This might be a little bit dangerous. We can lose about 5,200. That's how much we can lose, guys. 5,200. We cannot lose more. 5,200. That's how much we can lose. But I'd like to see how much money can I make in terms of as much as possible, right? 13 minutes long, we're sitting on it. 17 minutes long. My 5,000 exit is set already. 17 minutes long. And we're gonna have a limit order to the upside. So whatever it hits, I'm fine. Whatever it hits out of that too, I'm fine. We're gonna get stopped out there. Or maybe we get saved, maybe. Did we get saved there? What do you guys think about? Double saved? There was a single point away. Nah, I think we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah. We got stopped out. So 1,700. We still need to lose $200 more. Which means I'm gonna... I got too many contracts, to be honest with you. I got too many contracts. Now we're losing too much, guys. I sold partially. I actually sold completely, but why? Makes no sense. We're sitting on 886 right now. That means we have to make some money. This is crazy, right? I wanted to sell partially there, and it completely sold for some reason. Yes, if I would have been on live, I could have cashed out, of course. Why is the account? Oh, that's fine. Look at that. Look at that strong move, guys. Wow. This is a nice place to long. Yeah, this is, you know, clearly this is not real trading. This is not good trading. This is obviously much more than that in a negative way. What I've done right there on the Savius should have been stopped. If everything would have been on the serious side of the things, they would have been stopped, right? Pretty powerful sell-off. 7 minutes and we got the JOLTS. Today we're gonna post a video, guys. Keep in mind. Make sure to join our Discord community. I don't know. No. Quantum, no. ESS stands for Equity Stability Score. Equity Stability Score is something different than the consistency. Totally different. I have a video on my channel explaining it. Yes, the giveaway starts after JOLTS job openings, which is happening in 5 minutes. So the giveaway starts in 6, 7, 8 minutes from now. Yep. Equity Stability Score is much harder to be achieved. Much harder. Way more difficult. Is there something I could actually trade in a wild way? Something that I wouldn't be bothered about if... Let me see if I have an account like that. But I'm not finding anything unless I trade something out of this range. I don't want to mess up this accounts. Yeah. I think I'm gonna trade this one, which only has 2 days. No, it makes no sense. That's the maximum profit I should have. But I do want to trade something on JOLTS job openings report. I don't have anything to trade. I certainly don't know about it, guys. It's pure gambling. Just, you know, careful. We don't know what does the market wants to see. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. The forecast is 7.19 million out there. I don't know. There's going to be a bunch of volatility for sure. This is a pretty heavy week. I certainly don't know what to expect on JOLTS. Depends what does the market wants to see. So I don't know what does the market wants to see. Well, I'm gonna trade one of this. You know, we made 1,500 on this Sim Pro, on all the Sim Pro, the 3 Sim Pro accounts here, on this ones. On this 3, we made $1,500 on each today because we copy traded. And on one of them, I'm gonna trade, guys, on one of them. On the third one, this one, which only has 2 days. The rest of the 2, they have 3 days of trading of $1,500 each. This one is only having 2 days. Let me do some trading here on the JOLTS. If I make more, I'm gonna bring it back down. I don't care. I want to trade. And I don't have an account that is nonsense, so I'm gonna try to see what can I do here. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. Appreciate it. Giveaway starts soon. 3 seconds. Results are pending. Results are pending. Market is not doing anything yet. 7.23 million, so very, very close to what is expected. Markets didn't perform anything.
Order filled.
I'm longing this. 5 contracts. I'm out.
Order filled.
Like, you know, we made 300 bucks. It's not even needed, guys. I'm just gonna
Order
short
filled.
it and lose it. Right? I'm gonna short it and lose it. I don't need that money. I'm gonna short it and lose it. I thought there's gonna be big volatility and I'm gonna have some adrenaline trading.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's good. We're back at the same level. Not much of a change. Nothing to be... I was thinking about some adrenaline coming through with the JOLTS data, but there's nothing happening there, so... Yeah, exactly, Quantum. So this discounts and deals, Ticktick Trader is lasting for another day and a couple of hours, and then Savius is ending today, guys. The Savius discount of 60% is ending today. It's going to be a different price. Starting by the next promotion. Probably the discount is going to be 50%, which means each account will cost you 10% additional. 10% from the 150k is $63. So each account will cost you $63 more starting by tomorrow. The 60% discount, yeah. Beautiful, guys. That's pretty much all. Cryptos are dumping. Yeah, let's just get started. Let's just get started. You want to wait and listen. Yes, only 3 accounts, but they will change to 5, right? So from tomorrow, they will allow 5 accounts. From the next, once they update, it's going to be allowed 5 accounts. Exactly, their daily loss is hard breach. So how to join? Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. These are the 3 things you gotta do. That's the Discord link. I'm giving you a couple of seconds, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. They will allow 5 accounts starting by the next promotion. With my code, yes, they will allow. But the discount level is going to decrease, right? So You can max out today, and then the rest of the 2 accounts with the next promotion. That's the way it is. Alright guys, so we're ready. Let's go. Start. Let me know your numbers. Good luck everyone. Come on. Let's go. Let me know your numbers. Good luck chat. Good luck everyone. Yeah, that should be tomorrow. As far as they told me, as far as I've been told, their new promotion is and the stop is right there, no more guesses. This is a 25k top 1 futures. End of the day instant funded. Right, this is what we're doing right now. 25k top 1 futures, end of the day instant funded account. Let's shuffle one more time and good luck chat, good luck everyone. Good luck chat, good luck everyone. Look at that. Green number 1 or yellow number 3. I think that's going to be the yellow number 3, guys. You want to press the pedal a little more? That's going to be the yellow number 3. I told you. And here we go. Congratulations, everyone. We got a number 3 for the first giveaway. We're heading to the duck race. We are heading to the duck race. We got the number 3. 30 winners. It's not much. Definitely not a popular one. Competing for a minute. There you go. We're ready. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. We have one more giveaway. Let's see, Matt. Is this your day? Let's see. We're going to find it out in about 40 seconds. If this is your day. Let's go. Exactly. Yes. Who's gonna speed up, guys? Five seconds. So somebody's gonna make the difference. There you go. We have a winner. Congratulations. We got a winner. Congratulations. Oh, that name is in a different language. Yeah, you're the winner, buddy. Your name is in a different language. Congratulations. Yeah. For some reason, the page quickly disappeared. But we got you the winner. Congrats. Beautiful. Here's the winner's name. This one. You did press the pedals. Congratulations once again. Let's get to the second giveaway. Straight to funded plus, Ticktick Trader $50,000. Beautiful. So, like the video, please subscribe, join our Discord. Only one guess per person, do not guess multiple times. Wait for my message to get started. Let's go, you can start right now, let me know. You have to reach out to me on Discord, yes. Reach out to me on Discord. Keep going, guys, come on. For those of you that are having country restriction for Ticktick Trader, do not participate. Country restrictions for Ticktick Trader, do not participate. And we have to stop there, no more. That's it, no more guesses. It's over. No more guesses, it's over. We had the stop right there. We're going to shuffle this a couple of times. And one more time. So there you go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. We have a 000, guys. Look at that. I think that's where we're gonna stop here. It's 000. Look at that. We certainly have the 0 today. Certainly. You can't pass that. 000. Congratulations for the winners. $50,000 straight to funded plus Ticktick Trader account. Congratulations for winners. Let's just get back to the duck race. 22 winners out there competing for a minute. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. 50K right now. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We got Tony pushing with the pink one. But someone is going to speed up from behind. Look at that. J Trades, we got you, buddy. I think you're going to be the winner. J Trades, there you go. Beautiful. Keep going. J Trades, we got you. Congratulations. Low battery. Beautiful, guys. Congratulations once again. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for having a great time. We've been spending an amazing day out here. This live stream was a little bit longer than usually. We've been waiting for JOLTS data. We had a great day. We've been making money pretty much where we have been hunting to make money with great focus, Ticktick Trader Top Money Futures. We made some money on the Savius accounts too. Keep in mind the current promotions will end at the end of the month. Keep that in mind. Reach out to me on Discord for the accounts with the winners. Thank you guys so much. Have a lovely day out there. We're looking forward to it. Tomorrow we continue with 2 giveaways. A lot of the economical data. Have a lovely day. We'll talk to you soon.